Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Hotmail's password. So before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys Hotmail is now known as Outlook. If you guys are confused and can't find Hotmail, then don't worry about it. Hotmail is now known as Outlook. So once you search for Hotmail, it's going to show you Outlook, all right? So don't get confused. So yeah, now moving on with the video. The first step you want to do to change your Hotmail, password, or in another word, your Outlook's password, is you want to search for Hotmail on your Google Chrome or any search engine you want. Now, before moving forward into it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel so you guys can get notified once our new future video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment as well. Now let's move forward. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says Outlook free personal email and calendar from Microsoft. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, it's going to take you to this page, your email page. Now once you're over here, basically what you want to do is click on your profile picture over here. Mine's YK. Click on it, and after you click on it, this thing will open up. Once you click on it, you want to click on where it says my profile. Click on my profile. Now once you click on my profile, it's going to take you to your Hotmail's profile, in another word, your Outlook's profile. Now once you come over here, you want to click on where it says change password at the side. Click on it. Now after you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. Now on this page, you want to enter your current password. After entering your current password, you want to enter your new password, and you want to enter your new password again to confirm it, and then click on where it says save, and then your password will be changed. So that's basically how you change your Hotmail, or in another word known as Outlook's password. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel One to Step to get notified for future tutorial videos as well. And I will see you guys in another video, and if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, peace.